Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the air duct cover in your dishwasher, pull the upper dish rack out and rotate both front stop clips outward to fully remove the rack. Pull out the top rack. You can now rotate the old air duct cover counterclockwise to remove, if still intact. Install the new air duct cover by threading it clockwise into the air duct. Realign the upper dish rack rollers on the slide rails. Push the rack in and rotate the front stop clips inward.